all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can notify your team on Discord whenever you receive a new payment from Razorpay. So to do this, open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you're going to see two options, sign in and sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Razorpay and select it. For the event, you have to select it as payment captured. Click on this connect. You're going to receive this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Razorpay dashboard. Now from the left end of the site, go towards this developers. After you come on this developers, what you have to do is you have to go towards this webhooks and click on this add new webhooks. For the webhook URL, paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. And now for the active event, select it as payment captured. It is asking for secret and alert email. So both of these are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out too. After selecting the active events and entering the webhook URL, click on this create webhook. Once we click on this create webhook, it is saying webhook saved successfully. So this means that we have created a connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. And in order to do this test submission, open your Razorpay. From the left end of the site, go on this payment pages and open a payment page and do a test submission and purchase a product. So you're going to get the payment page URL right over here, copy the URL, open it in a new tab and purchase the product. So let's say I'm going to purchase this product as new user. I'm going to enter all the details and click on this pay 550. Once we click on this pay 550, it is going to ask me for the payment method. So let's select the payment method right over here as UPI. I'm going to enter the UPI ID and click on this verify and pay. Once we click on this verify and pay, it is saying open your Razorpay app and complete the payment. Alright, so let's complete this payment and you can see payment successful. So we have successfully purchased this face toner as new user using the payment method as UPI. Now let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. Now let's notify our team on Discord related to same. For that, I'm going to close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Discord and select it. For the event, we have to select it as send channel message. You have two options. If you want to send it HTML, you can select HTML, otherwise Markdown. Now click on this connect. It is going to ask you for the webhook URL. So open your Discord, go on the server name, then you have to go towards the server settings. After you come on the server settings, from the left end of the site, go towards this integrations and then webhooks. Click on this new webhook button. A webhook something named this will appear. Open that. And now further, if you want, you can definitely rename your webhook, otherwise keep it as same. Then select the channel right over here in which you want to send the payment alerts. Then copy the webhook URL and click on save changes. Now simply paste the webhook URL in your workflow like this. After pasting the webhook URL, it is asking for the message. So I want to send a message something like this. Alright, so let's copy this same message and paste it right over here. But in this message, I'm just going to change the customer name, email and the rest of the details because right now we have received a new purchase. And one by one, we're going to enter all the details right over here. But we're not going to enter the details manually by typing it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map all the details like the customer name, email, phone number, then the order ID right over here. Now I'm going to map the name of the product too, which is face toner. Now it is asking me for the amount, so I'm going to map the price right over here. So as you can see over here, the amount which we have received is 55000, but the purchase amount was 55000. 0.00. So what happens is that while capturing the response, it eliminates the decimal value. So when we map it right over here, we have to make sure that we are mapping the correct amount. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on this save, and we're going to first correct this amount. So let's close this, and between this Razorpay and Discord, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Number Formatter by Pabbly. And now for the event, select it as perform math operation and click on this connect. Now you have to map the amount right over here. So let's map the amount right over here. And to eliminate the decimal value, we're going to divide this amount from 100. So let's put a comma and enter 100, and this will be static, so I've entered it manually. For the operation, select it as divide and click on this save and send test request. Now each amount will be divided by 100, and we're going to receive the perfect amount, which we can map further right over here in Discord. So now let's delete this amount, and we're going to map the correct amount right over here. So let's map the result right over here. Let's move on further. It is saying bot name and icons. If you wish, you can definitely add this. Now it is asking me for the text to speech, so I'm going to keep it as disabled and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the message. So let's open our Discord. Let's go back towards the channel, and as you can see, we have successfully sent this message. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new payment from Razorpay, our team on Discord will be notified. Come, I'll just give you a real-time example for this. So let's say I'm just going to purchase this product as testing user this time. I'm going to enter all the details and click on this pay 550. Once again, it is asking me for the payment method, so I'm going to select the payment method as UPI and enter the payment ID, which is the UPI ID over here. Now it is saying open your app and complete the payment. So let's confirm the payment, and you can see it is saying payment successful. So we have successfully purchased this product as testing user. Now let's open our Discord, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time our team on Discord is notified about the same. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new payment from Razorpay, our team on Discord will be notified about the same. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.